Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Yamaha service kit is probably one of the most essential investments for any Yamaha outboard owner. Keeping your engine running smoothly and reliably is paramount, and this kit provides all the necessary components for a comprehensive 100-hour service. From oil filters to spark plugs, this kit simplifies the maintenance process, ensuring your engine receives the care it deserves and extends its lifespan, allowing you to enjoy countless hours on the water. Number 5. Yamaha F75 F90 F115 Outboard Service Kit. This all-in-one kit has everything you need for routine maintenance. It includes essential components to keep your outboard running smoothly. It's a convenient solution for boat owners. This kit is specifically designed for Yamaha F75, F90, and F115 4-stroke outboards from 2006 and newer. It's also compatible with Max SHO series models. Ensure the perfect fit for your engine. The kit features original components, including the oil filter and fuel filter. It also includes marine-grade Yamaha fluids. These genuine parts ensure optimal performance and longevity. The kit comes with a specialized lower unit oil pump. This tool makes gear oil changes clean and efficient. It also includes a service reminder decal to track maintenance intervals. The kit includes marine-specific Yamaha 4M oil with NMA FCW certification. It also includes 80W90 gear case lubricant. These fluids provide superior protection in marine environments. What we like. This kit offers a complete, all-in-one solution for your Yamaha outboard's maintenance needs. It includes everything you need, from oil and filters to gear case lube, ensuring a hassle-free service. If you're looking for a convenient and comprehensive maintenance package, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Everything needed for the 100-hour service. The kit had everything I needed to perform the service. Number 4. Yamaha 2006 Plus F150 F150B F150XB Maintenance Kit. This kit includes genuine Yamaha parts, ensuring top-notch performance for your motor. It's designed to keep everything running smoothly and efficiently. This kit provides everything you need for optimal engine care. The kit comes with a complete oil change kit. It includes the oil filter and engine drain gasket. This ensures a clean and efficient oil change process, protecting the engine. It also includes a spark plug set and a primary fuel filter. The full-size fuel water separator filter is also included. These components are crucial for maintaining engine performance and fuel efficiency. The kit contains lower unit gear lube and gaskets. This ensures the lower unit is properly lubricated and sealed. This helps to prevent any potential damage. The kit features OEM Yamaha fuel filter and oil filter. The oil filter and drain gasket are also included. These genuine parts guarantee a perfect fit and reliable performance. A Yamaha oil refill paper funnel is included. This makes the oil change process easier and cleaner. This small addition makes a big difference. What we like. This kit uses genuine Yamaha parts, guaranteeing the highest quality and compatibility for your engine. It includes a full-size fuel water separator, which is crucial for protecting your engine from water contamination. If you prioritize the longevity and performance of your Yamaha outboard, this kit is an excellent investment. What people say. Everything needed for the 100-hour service. The kit is a great value. Genuine Yamaha parts. Number 3. Yamaha F300 CAV6 4.2L Maintenance Kit. This kit has everything you need for a full service. It includes all the necessary parts for your Yamaha 4.2L V6 outboard, making maintenance easy. This kit is designed for Yamaha F225, F250, and F300 4-stroke outboards from 2010 and newer. Make sure to confirm your engine model and year before purchasing to ensure it fits. Inside, you'll find genuine Yamaha OEM engine parts. This includes the oil filter, fuel filter, drain gaskets, and Yamaha lubricants, ensuring factory-correct fit and performance. The kit includes 7 quarts of Yamaha 10W, 34M FCW oil. This oil is specifically engineered for the marine environment, providing superior corrosion protection and excellent lubrication. It also comes with NGK LFR6A 11 spark plugs, a gear lube pump, a disposable funnel, and an oil change reminder decal. This kit is perfect for your annual or 100-hour maintenance. What we like. This kit provides a complete OEM maintenance solution for your Yamaha 4.2L V6 outboards. It includes Yamaha 4M FCW marine engine oil, specifically engineered for the harsh marine environment. If you want to ensure your engine receives the best possible care with genuine parts and high-quality lubricants, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Everything needed for the 100-hour service. Good quality parts. Genuine Yamaha parts. Number 2. Yamaha VF150 F175 VF175 Outboard Maintenance Kit. Keep your Yamaha outboard running smoothly with this comprehensive maintenance kit. It includes everything you need for a standard oil change and tune-up, all genuine OEM Yamaha parts. This kit contains only genuine Yamaha parts, ensuring the best performance and longevity for your engine. You can trust the quality and reliability of these components. The kit comes with 5 quarts of Yamaha 10W30 FC4M oil, specifically formulated for Yamaha outboards. This oil provides excellent protection and helps maintain engine efficiency. This kit is designed to fit 2013 and newer VF150, F175, and VF175 outboard models. Please confirm fitment before purchasing to ensure it's the right kit for your engine. The kit includes the oil filter, primary fuel filter, gear lube, drain gasket, lower unit gaskets, and NGK spark plugs. It's a complete solution for your routine maintenance needs. What we like. This kit features genuine OEM Yamaha parts, ensuring the highest quality and perfect fit for your outboard. It includes essential components like spark plugs and is designed specifically for certain Yamaha models. If you want to maintain your engine's performance with reliable, factory-approved parts, this kit is a great option. What people say. Everything needed for the 100-hour service. The kit had everything I needed to perform the service. Number 1. PWC Parts Co. Yamaha 2006 Plus F150 Maintenance Kit. Keep your Yamaha F150 running smoothly with this comprehensive maintenance kit from PWC Parts Company. It includes everything you need to perform essential maintenance tasks. This kit provides the necessary oil and filter to keep the engine lubricated and protected. Changing the oil regularly is crucial for the longevity of the engine, and this kit makes it easy. Maintain the lower unit with the included gear lube. This will help to protect the gears from wear and tear, ensuring optimal performance. Ensure efficient combustion with the included spark plugs. Replacing them regularly helps maintain fuel efficiency and engine performance. Protect the engine from contaminants with a fuel filter and water separator. These components are essential for preventing damage and ensuring clean fuel delivery. This kit contains all the necessary parts for a complete maintenance service. It's a convenient and cost-effective way to keep your Yamaha F150 in top condition. What we like. This kit is designed to make your maintenance routine easier with all the necessary components included. It uses OEM Yamaha parts, ensuring quality and compatibility. If you are looking for a comprehensive and convenient maintenance solution for your Yamaha outboard, this kit is a great choice. What people say. Everything needed to maintain my twin 150's excellent all-in-one package. All-in-one package. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.